Tonight we're going to be talking about multiplying by two-digit numbers. Now if you noticed, in our problem we have 43 times 12. I have color-coded the ones place value red and the tens place value blue. We could break this problem down into two smaller problems of 43 times 2 and 43 times 10. Well, as you guys might have noticed, this is an example of the distributive property. We have distributed 43 to the 2 and to the 10. So if we take 43 times 2, we get 86. Then we take 43 times 10, we get 430. And then if we add them together, we'll get our answer. So let's transfer those over here to their proper spots underneath the main problem. 2 times 3 is going to give us 6, and then 2 times 4 will give us 8. We're going to line up our place values. Bring a 0 down because when we do the 1, that makes it, that is in the tens place value, so we have to start over place value and do our multiplication. Now we need to add these together, and we get 516. Let's look at another example. Here's our next problem. 95 times 26. We're going to start off by taking 5 times 6, which is 30. We put the 0 in the ones place value. We carry the 3. 6 times 9 is 54, plus 3 is going to give us 57. Now, since I have used my 3 and I might have to carry in the next part of the problem, I'm going to go ahead and cross that off so I don't make the mistake that I have and use it again. That is a common error for 5th graders. Now I'm ready to multiply the 2. I need to bring down a 0 because the 2 is in the tens place value. So I need to start off in the tens place value in my answer. So 2 times 5 is 10. Which is 0, and I carry my 1. 2 times 9 is 18, plus 1 is 19. And I'm going to add that all together. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 0 is 7. 5 plus 9 is 14. Carry my 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now let's look at another problem. I'd like you to try this problem on your own. Pause the video. Okay, you should have gotten 64 plus 320 for the first part of your answer, and for a final total 384. Check your answer against mine. Let's look at another one. $1.47 times 34. I'd like you to pause the video and do the multiplying. You should have gotten 588 plus 441. Notice I have carried some numbers and I have crossed them out. Now let's check the answer. You should have gotten 1,029. Don't forget that we are working with money, and so we need to add in the dollar sign and the decimal point, and that's going to give us $10.29. If you have any questions, ask tomorrow in class. You can also check out the lattice multiplication videos, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 will be 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication, and part 2 will be 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. Again, if you have any questions, make sure you ask in class.